has become this age of returners, my son. It is by reading the Bible, my son. Because day by day, encourage ni Brother Jojo ganina that we must have a habit of daily coming to the Word, my son. Kaya pinaagi-ali, my son, mamulan ta sa interpreted Word, my son. When this interpreted Word is enjoyed by us, it becomes a constituted Word, my son. Then pinaagi nga mahimo siya constituted, mahimo tang makasangyaw ato sa uban, my son. Kaya lagi dili magutang makasangyaw kung wala pud tay pulong na umo sa sulod nato, my son. That is why it isn't, we are encouraged with my son, muduol kita sa pulong, my son. Matagusan ta ka nato, madili pud muduol lang kay natay interest, kundi we must be, it is solely for the desire of the Lord, my son. Wala nang inutat tayo lang pang sentro tumong, kundi ang pamatigayon na sa Diyos, my son. And also we must come to the Word in the Spirit, my son. Kaya kung wala na sa itong Espiritu mo doon sa pulong or mabasa, kawang lagyan, my son. That is why we must be in our spirit. And then, I also really enjoy that when defilements would come, my son, we just need the three W's. The washing of the water in the Word, my son. Kaya kita mag-idali na magunda, mahugawan, mga son.